Hello dear yogis, and welcome to today's 35 minutes Vinyasa practice, which is going to be a fluid water flow. So grab everything you need and we'll meet here on the mat. Whenever you're ready, we are going to meet in a Virasana. So come sit on your knees like this, or if it's within your possibilities, you can also come sit in between your knees. If this is too intense for your knees, you can come sit on a block or a bolster, or you can just stay here like this as well. When you're here and you feel like you're having more space still, then you can place your hands behind your back. Maybe walk your hands further, rest your head towards the back, or you can come onto your elbows, even onto your backs. Maybe if you want to challenge your shoulders a little bit more, you can bring your both elbows, your both arms over your head and simply rest in this space wherever you are. And just take a moment to breathe. Breathe and become present in this moment. Connect to your breath while still being in complete stillness. Relax your face, your forehead. Relax the space around your eyes. Relax your jaw. Relax your shoulders. And then take some deep in and exhalations here through the nose and out through the mouth. Nice. Now gently open your eyes again, and wherever you are, if you're laying on your back, then you gently come back up on your elbows, your hands, walk yourself forward again. Place your both hands in the front of you into the mat, and then come sit back onto your knees. Opening your knees, mat wide, big toes together, and bring those hips backwards towards the heels. Rest your forehead onto the mat. Child's pose, and tune in here with yourself. Just 3 big breaths before we move into our water flow. Imagine yourself becoming liquid. Imagine yourself becoming fluid, like all rigidity, all the stagnant energies, all the sore muscles and joints. Those are becoming fluid. And then I invite you in this flow to let you be guided, but also when you feel the urge or when you have the imagination to add something to your flow, then just please go ahead. Use your intuition, follow your gut. So last big breath in, open your mouth, sigh it out and inhale. We lift our shoulders back up again, round your spine. Tailbone under and exhale, open your heart forwards. Tailbone comes up to the sky, lift the crown of your head up. Inhale and exhale, release the chin and the chest towards the mat. Inhale, push yourself forward, shoulders come forward, hips come towards the mat, and you can lengthen both legs to come in this nice upward facing dog with our knees still onto the mat. Inhale here. And exhale, bring those hips backwards. Forehead onto the mat. Inhale, shoulders coming up around your spine. And exhale, let the hips drop. Nice, open the heart. And then here we're putting our toes into the mats. And we are lifting our hips up towards the sky. First, downward facing dog. Walk your dog here. Gently bring some movement in that spine. Looking underneath your armpits. And then on an inhale, we come back to center and we bring our right foot up towards the sky. Really let that left heel sink in towards the mat and press your heart towards the floor. Make some circles with that right knee. And on an exhale, we place our right foot on the outside of our right hand. Lower down the left knee. Inhale, open your chest. Exhale, walk your hands closer towards your left knee and lengthen your right leg. Inhale, open your heart forward. Exhale, round your spine. Inhale, open forward. Exhale, round your spine. If the floor is far away, you can use some blocks. And then next inhale, we walk our hands forward again. Slide your right foot all the way backward and up towards the sky. And exhale, bring that right foot in between your hands. Inhale, lift your both hands up. Left knee comes down. And then exhale, we twist or we turn our left foot towards the right side of the mat. Lower down, both hands parallel to the floor. Left hand comes into the mat beside you. Inhale, right hand comes overhead. Lengthen your right leg. Exhale, circle it all the way back. Bend your right knee again and place your right hand on the inside of your right foot. Left hand comes up towards the sky. Now circle your left hand back down. Open your left foot back to center. Inhale, lift your right hand up towards the sky. Lift that left heel into your bum and maybe reach backwards for that left foot. Maybe you can grab onto it, maybe not. Inhale, lift that right hand back up again. Exhale, right hand comes down. Slide your right foot all the way backward and up. Inhale, roll those shoulders forwards. And exhale, we keep our right foot up and we point with our right foot backwards while we open our heart forward and we bring those hips down. Inhale, lift those hips back up again, three-legged dog. Let's do that again. Exhale, roll forward like fluid and then drop the hips down. Keep that right foot up. Inhale. Yes, some circles with that right knee into the sky, paint some circles. And then exhale, we bring that right foot back in between our hands. Step that left foot next to the right. Inhale, come all the way up. Reach up. Slight back bend here. And exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, keep moving, hands towards the sky. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, hands into the mat, step backwards into a high plank and go through your vinyasa. Until we meet again in downward facing dog. Walk your dog again. Twist that spine, looking left and right underneath your armpits. And then inhale, lift your left foot up towards the sky. Bend your left knee and make some circles. Warm up that hip. And then exhale, place your left hand, foot next to your left hand, lower down the right knee. Inhale, come up. Nee. Inhale, move your heart forward. Exhale, walk your hands backward towards your right knee and lengthen your left leg. Inhale, open your heart. Exhale, round your spine. Inhale, open your heart. Exhale, round your spine. Inhale, open your heart. Exhale, round your spine. Walk your hands back forward again. Press your both hands into the mat and slide your left foot backward and up. Three-legged dog. Let that right heel sink into the mat. Exhale, left foot in between your hands. Lower down the right knee. Inhale, both hands comes up. And then exhale, we twist or we turn our right foot towards the left side of the mat. Lower down both arms and drop down the right hand next to you onto your mat. Lengthen your left leg. Inhale, bring your left hand overhead. Exhale, come back up, arms parallel to the floor. Bend your left knee again and place that left hand on the inside of your left foot. Inhale, right hand comes up to the sky. Exhale, right hand comes down. We bring our right foot back to neutral. And inhale, open your left hand towards the sky. Exhale, bring your right foot in towards your bum and then reach backward for your right foot. Maybe you can grasp on it, maybe not. Both is fine. Open your shoulder towards the sky. Keep breathing. And exhale, left hand comes back into the mat. Slide your left foot all the way up and back. Bend your left knee and make some circles. Exhale, your left foot comes in between your hands and we lift our both hands up towards the sky. Open those shoulders, heart towards the sky, cactus arms, and drop both hands down towards the mat. Step your right foot forward. Inhale, come all the way up. We keep on moving. Exhale, go down again. Inhale, halfway lift. Straight spine, straight neck. Exhale, hands into the mat. Step or jump backwards into a high plank. And go down through your vinyasa. Nice. Inhale, left foot comes up towards the sky. Exhale, roll your shoulders forward, dropping the hips down, lifting your heart up. Inhale, come back up. And exhale, move it forward again. Nice. Keep that left foot off the ground, pointing backwards. Inhale, back up. And exhale. Come back down. Now place your both toes into the mat. Open your knees mat wide and bring those hips backwards, child's pose. We don't stay here long. Inhale, move your shoulders forward again, round your spine. Exhale, bring your hips towards the mat. Exhale, toes into the mat, hips towards the back. And inhale, round your spine, move back forward again. Let your hips drop into the mat, and we bend our legs, bringing our heels towards our bum. Exhale, bring those toes back into the mat, child's pose. And then inhale, round your spine, bring your shoulders forwards, and we lift those hips back up again. Exhale to downward facing dog. Inhale, lift those that right leg up again. Make some circles in the sky. And exhale, bring that right foot on the outside of the right hand. Inhale, open your heart forwards. Exhale, walk your hands closer towards your left leg, elongating that right leg. Inhale, open your chest forward. Exhale, round your spine. Inhale, open. Exhale, round your spine. Inhale, open. Exhale, round your spine. Place your both hands into the mat and slide that right foot all the way to the back and up. Now come on the tippy toes of your right foot while you make left foot while we make some circles into the sky with our right knee. Exhale, now place your right foot in between the hands. Inhale, both hands comes up. Now exhale, we twist our shoulders towards the right, and we drop our both hands down parallel to the mat. We bring our right hands to the back of our left leg, and our left hand comes overhead. Exhale, drop the left hand down next to the right foot and bring that right hand up towards the sky. Lower down the left knee, bring that left foot in towards your bum, and then reach backward, opening the shoulders. Exhale, circling that right hand down again, sliding that right foot all the way back and up into our three-legged dog. Now come high on your left tippy toes and exhale, roll your shoulders forward, dropping the hips down. Keep reaching backwards with your right foot. Exhale, lift your hips back up again. Inhale, move forward. Exhale, dropping the hips down. Nice, and back up. Exhale, we step our right foot in between our hands. Bring those both hands up, reach up. Cactus arms, bringing those elbows down, opening the heart. And exhale, circle forwards. Step your left foot forward next to your right. Inhale, come all the way up. And exhale, keep on moving. Feel yourself becoming fluent like water, moving through all the poses. Move through your Vinyasa, your variation. And then inhale, lift that left foot up towards the sky. Come high on your tippy toes. And exhale, make some circles, paint some circles in the sky. Exhale, bring your left foot forward on the outside of your left hand. Inhale, direct your heart forward. Exhale, round your spine. Inhale, forward. Exhale, round your spine. Now walk your hands backward. Elongate your front leg. You might want to use some blocks here. Maybe you want to bring your back foot a little bit closer. Or maybe you can bring your both hands into your waist, really sinking a little bit deeper into this hamstring stretch. Now circle your both hands back down, slide your left foot all the way back and up, come high on the tippy toes. Inhale and exhale, left foot comes in between the hands. Inhale, both hands comes up. Exhale, turn your shoulders towards the left, lower down your both hands parallel to the floor. Left hand comes on the back of the right leg. Inhale, right hand comes up and overhead. Nice. Exhale, right hand comes down, left hand comes up. Inhale. Exhale, left hand comes on the inside of the, Then exhale, drop the right knee down and reach backwards for your right foot. Maybe you can grasp onto it, maybe not, but keep opening that left shoulder towards the sky. Exhale, left hand comes down and we slide our left foot all the way back and up. Exhale, place your both big toes together and we drop the knees down mat wide, walking our hands closer toward us, sitting on your heels. And then on an inhale, we lift our both hands up towards the sky. Exhale, twist towards the right. Place your right hand behind your back, left hand comes overhead. Exhale, circle, like we bring our left hand towards our right side and then we circle all the way around. Left hand comes behind our back, right hand comes up and we lift our hips up towards the sky. Exhale, hips back down, right hand comes towards our left side and we circle all the way towards the other side. Right hand behind our back. Inhale, lift those hips up, open the heart, bring your left hand overhead and exhale towards the other side. One more time, both sides. Nice. Exhale. We come back to center. We press our both hands into the mat and we walk forward again, dropping our chin and our chest down into the mat. Inhale, sliding forward into this upward facing dog with our knees on the ground. Press your both toes into the mat and exhale. Lift your hips towards the sky. Inhale, right foot comes up towards the sky. Make some circles. Exhale, right foot on the outside of the right hand. Inhale, drop the hips, heart reaching forward. Exhale, slide your right foot all the way back and up. Exhale, inhale, roll your shoulders forward. Drop the hips down, but keep your right foot off the ground. Inhale, back up. And move those shoulders forward again. And back up. Now place your right foot in between your hands. Inhale, both hands come up. Open the heart. And then exhale, circle it down. Slide right foot all the way towards the back. Move your shoulders forward and let's move into a vinyasa with one leg. Yes. Come back in downward facing dog. Now inhale, left foot comes back up to the sky. Make some circles. And then bring your left foot on the outside of your left hand. Inhale, open your heart forward. Exhale down. Inhale, open forward, dropping the hips. And then exhale, slide it all the way to the back and up. Exhale, left foot comes in between the hands. Bring your both hands up. And then exhale, cactus arms, opening the heart. Inhale, reach back up, circle it down. Exhale, slide your left foot back and up. Inhale, roll your shoulders forward into a high plank, dropping the hips down. Exhale, back up. Inhale, forward. Exhale. Last time, inhale. Exhale. Now we come into this high plank and moving through our vinyasa. First with one leg, and then those come together in our upward facing dog. We meet each other again at downward facing dog. Now bring the both big toes together again. Drop down the knees onto your mats and make sure that your toes and your heels are touching. When you walk, your hands closer towards yourself. Now we're going to a fish pose. This might be intense for the quads, so don't go too deep if that's not your thing. So phase one is here. You can rest here in an intense toe stretch. If you feel like you're having more space, then we bring our hands behind our back, dropping the head backward. If you feel like you're having even more space, you can come onto your elbows, grasping on the feet, and then bring the crown of your head down towards the floor. Bring the palms of your hands together and point forward and upward. Keep breathing. Couple breaths. And then when it's becoming too intense, you can hold on to the feet and then bring the toes underneath them. Come lay down onto the back of your head and then gently move out of this pose like this until you come lay down onto your back. Just rest gently here for a couple of breaths. You might want to bring your knees together, rest your arms beside your body. Just take a few breaths here. And then you can bring your knees into your chest and rock from side to side. Making some circles with those feet. And then dropping the knees towards the right. Opening the left arm towards your side. Maybe moving your gaze with you towards your left side. Try to keep your both shoulder blades onto the ground. If you need some support between your knees, you can use a block or a pillow. Inhale, lift your both knees back up. Maybe make some circles again. And then exhale, drop your knees towards the left side, opening your right arm towards the side. Inhale, bring both knees back up again. if you like to do a little counter pose here, a candle pose is a really good idea. So if you want to go with me to the candle pose, you can bring your hands besides your body with the palms facing down onto your mats. Then you press firmly through these hands until your hips come up towards the sky. Yes, while we're here, we place our hands with our fingers pointing upward on our lower backs. So we're really holding us up so we don't roll back down easily. Okay, so when we're here, we can start elongating our feet towards the sky. Please keep looking upward. It's more gentle for your neck. So just close your eyes or keep looking at your toes. Try to really keep a straight spine. Engage your glutes here. Try to keep your feet together. Keep breathing. And then on exhale, we gently let our knees come back down again. Maybe you want to rest a little bit in a plow pose, bringing our feet over our head, our knees next to our ears. You might want to interlace your fingers and straighten them out onto the mats. Or maybe you can turn your heads around so they're over your head and you can grasp onto your feet. Try to straighten your both legs. Keep breathing. That's the most important wherever you are. And then exhale. We place our hands back on our lower backs and we slowly, gently let ourselves come back down onto our backs. Now, this is the time where you can move to your final pose, Shavasana, where you can rest for as long as you like. And if you have a busy schedule or you're feeling too active today to do the Shavasana, well, then I still say you have to do the Shavasana. But if it's not within your schedule today, then you can come sit with me into an easy pose and end this practice by bringing the palms of your hands together in front of the heart. Inhale. Exhale. Bring your hands together in front of the third eye. Inhale. Exhale. Bend forwards. Namaste. Thank you for practicing with me today. I wish you a wonderful rest of your day. Until next time.